In this question, you have been given the acceleration time at graph for a particle moving along x-axis is as shown in figure. This is the graph that is given to you, and the corresponding position time graph of the particle may be represented by. This is the acceleration time graph given to you, and you have to choose the option from these four which is the most suitable xt graph. Okay. So here you can see that if I draw this graph here, this is my acceleration time graph that is given to me. Correct? So you can see here that for 0 to t dash, acceleration is negative. Correct? Acceleration is negative. So what I can write? I can write that x is equal to ut minus half at square. So students, here you can check that the coefficient of t square here is coming out to be negative. Okay. So coefficient of t square is negative. From this equation I can say that the graph will be parabolic. The graph will be parabolic, and because coefficient of t square is negative, it will be concaving downwards. Correct? So if I want to draw my xt graph here, it would come out to be this way from 0 to t dash. Now from t dash to t, you can see that acceleration is positive. So the equation would be written as x equals ut plus half at square. Here coefficient of t square is positive. Therefore the graph will be parabolic and it will be concaving upward. So from here it will be, from t dash it will be concaving upward. Correct? So let me